It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another tutorial about Alibaba Chinese shopping site. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to simply discover new AI tool to find manufacturer from any region on Alibaba Chinese shopping website. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use Alibaba AI tool to source for manufacturer or source for any type of product from China or any part of it, from China or US or Bangladesh. As you all know that Alibaba are comprised of so many countries that are selling goods at a very cheap rate on that particular website. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply use AI tool to find manufacturer in Alibaba shopping app. So let's see. Very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Alibaba app. I'm going to click on it. Have you opened up your Alibaba? Now, next thing we want to do is to simply click on manufacturers right here. That's going to take us right here. Then the next thing we want to do is to make sure we make use of search engine right here. So first thing for we can click on here and it's going to take us right here. Find manufacturers with AI search. Now you have get AI guidance backed by professional sourcing knowledge for simple or multiple requirements. Then right here by recommendation, these are keywords recommended and then recently searched right here. Now you can come down right here and type in the keyword of the product you are looking for. Let's say for instance I'm looking for pure water machine. Then I'll click on search. I'll simply send. Then you have so many manufacturers in this category. You can simply scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different manufacturer is going to load up. And the great thing about this app is that all the manufacturer right here, they are all verified manufacturer right here. Then one more thing you can do here is that you can simply filter your result by simply click on here. And this is going to pump up. Then right here, you can enter product detail that is tailored to what you are looking for. So in this category, you need to have full knowledge of the product you are looking for. Like for instance, if you are looking for supplier with 5-star rating, you need to make sure you choose 5-star rating. I'm going to simply choose 4.5. Then material. So you can simply fill in the material right here. So fill in material, water, liquid, and juice, cream, beer. Then you can scroll down and then choose filling volume. So right here, I'm going to choose this and this and this. Then automatic grade, automatic, then capacity. So this and this, the electric, then power, this and this, then customize, bottle, cans, bags, carton. Then you can scroll down right here and then check on warrant. I need the one of 1 year warrant or 1.5 year warrant. Then filling speed, this and this. Then feature, automatic, material. Then you can decide to buy from a supplier or from particular brand, but I'm not going to choose brand. You can scroll down right here, application, commercial, hotel, the installation. There's no need of that. Once you select everything that is related to the product, the next thing you need to do is to simply click on send right here and allow the AI to do the result, and you will see it's just as simple as that. So you can see these are the output of what we give the AI. You can scroll down and then from here you can simply select any manufacturer. Let's for instance I want to contact this manufacturer. So let's for instance I want to contact this manufacturer right here. I will simply click on their link and it will redirect me to the company profile. Right here we can read details about the company profile. You can scroll down. So this company here start operation in 2019. You can scroll down right here. They are in 15 years in the industry. So this tell you that they're going to have much experience as far as your product is concerned. You can scroll down and check on their product capacity, check on their rating. So this store here, they have 5-star rating, just like what you see right here, 5-star rating. So you can scroll down and see who are the people that have purchased with them before. So this is the first person, US, another one right here. And I appreciate the most about this machine is it is efficiency, and it has saved me a lot of time. So you can see what people have to say about them. So you can check on detail about the store. Once you are satisfied with the company, then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on send inquiry, or better still, you can simply click on chat now and start a conversation deal with the manufacturer. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply find manufacturer using AI tool in Alibaba.com. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.